How to set up PostgreSQL in Lovable. Now, in order to set it up, first head over to lovable.dev and make sure to log into your account. From in there, scroll down and choose in here the project that you want. For example, I have in here the smoking birds. Let's click on this. And then from in there, we just need to create a Supabase project. Click onto this icon right here, Manage Supabase. Click onto this Connect Supabase. And then after that, click onto this Connect a project. Choose in your organization and click on this create project option. Now this should be able to create a new project using the actual thing that we have from Lovable in there. So just wait for this. Put in here the project name. So for example, let's put in here wagging words. Input right here your database password. I'll just head over and generate one. Choose in here your region and click on this create new project. Once you're done with this, next thing we need to do is we just need to head over and then see it right here. Now, from in there, you can find this SQL editor, which means that we have now created this all together. And you can see everything for this particular project that we have created from our actual Lovable. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.